Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to whip up a delicious comforting dish, white sauce shell pasta. It's creamy, flavorful and perfect for a quick and satisfying meal. So let's get started. First let's cook our shell pasta according to the package instructions until it's al dente. Add a pinch of salt into the boiling water. Drop shell pasta into the pot. Once the pasta is cooked, drain it and keep it aside. Now let's make the white sauce with veggies for the pasta. Into a pan, add some unsalted butter. Once it is melted, add some chopped garlic. Saute it. Into that add one finely chopped onion. Saute it till it becomes translucent. Into that add some paneer cubes. You can add any veggies of your choice. Here I am adding some carrots, some bell peppers. Saute that as well. Into that add all-purpose flour. Saute it till it slightly gets roasted. Then add some chilled milk. Mix it and cook till it becomes thick and creamy. Add some salt for the sauce, some pepper powder, add some chili flakes and some oregano. Give it a nice mix. Into that add our cooked shell pasta. If you feel the sauce is thick, you can add some more milk or pasta cooked water. Finally, here I am adding a slice of cheese. Give it a nice mix. There you have it, our delicious creamy white sauce shell pasta. It's a simple yet elegant dish that's sure to satisfy your taste buds. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss a tasty upload. Thanks for joining us today and we'll see you in next video. Happy cooking!